Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your USDT from Bybit to Binance. First of all, log into your Bybit account, then go to Assets and Funding account where you have your USDT balance. In the list, you need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar right here. Then you need to click Withdraw on the right side of the USDT. When you go on withdraw page, you need to choose on-chain withdrawal. And here you need to first of all select the network. You need to choose, there are different networks. I prefer to use TRC20 or BIP20. So in this case, I will choose BIP20 network. The fee will be fixed 1.3 USDT. And now I need to copy the wallet address from Binance. So let's go to Binance. Let's go to our wallet spot account. In the list, I need to find USDT. Here's the search bar. I can use the search bar. And I need to go to the deposit page. So I'm selecting BIP20 network. And I need to copy this wallet address. Let's paste the wallet address right here. Let's enter the amount of USDT I'm going to send, for example, all. And let's confirm the payment. As you can see, I successfully sent my USDT from Bybit to Binance. In a few seconds, I will refresh my spot account and here I will see my USDT balance. In a few minutes, I refreshed my Binance page. As you can see, guys, I received my USDT from Bybit. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.